Welcome student our Target Up Study channel. In this video we will be cover top 10 MCQ related for phase locked loop. This is the second video. First video link I will be provide in description. First question. In PLL the output voltage of phase detector is dash dash. Option A free running voltage, option B error voltage, option C phase voltage, and option D both and B. In phase detector circuit, compare the input frequency with the feedback frequency as well as uh, voltage control oscillator output and to produce DC output voltage called error voltage. In phase detector circuit, to compare the VCO output, voltage controller oscillator output and input frequency, and to produce the error voltage is called error voltage or phase difference. The correct option is B, error voltage. Next question. At which state the phase locked loop tracks any change in the input frequency? Option A phase locked state, option B capture state, option C free running state, and option D none of these. In phase locked loop track the output frequency exactly same as the input signal frequency. So the circuit tracks any change in the input frequency through its repetitive action. The correct option is A, phase locked state. Third question. In communication circuit, PLL is currently applicable for option A tracking a carrier or synchronization signal, option B demodulation application, option C both A and B, and option D none of these. In communication, the FM radio receiver to use the PLL circuit of demodulation application as well as the tracking the carrier signal or synchronization of input signals. The correct option is C, both A and B. Application of PLL in communication. In VCO voltage control oscillator IC 565, the value of charging and discharging is dependent on the voltage applied at option A modulating input, option B square wave output, option C triangular wave output, option D both A and B. In VCO IC 565, the value of charging and discharging is totally depending on modulating input. The correct option is A, modulating input. In the locked state of PLL, the phase error between input and output is dash dash. In PLL circuit, the phase error between input signal and output signal is minimum. The option B is correct, minimum. Next question. PLL is a dash dash pin IC 565. Option A 12, option B 10, option C 16, option D 14. PLL IC 565, the 14 pin IC. Here 3 input and 3 outputs. The VCO output, reference output, demodulation output, and 3 inputs, input, plain input 1, 2, and input to phase detector from VCO. There are 3 input and 3 outputs, and 2 external component R and C connected for VCO. 1 number pin is negative and 10 number is plus VCC, and 11, 12, 13 and 14 pin is not connected. The correct option is D, 14 pin IC. In FM receiver, PLL is often combined with dash dash circuit to produce multiple frequency. In FM radio receiver, PL is often combined a mixture circuit to mix two frequencies. The correct option is C. 8 number question. A phase locked loop PLL is a feedback circuit consisting of a option A phase detector, option B VCO, option C low pass filter, option D all of the above. The correct option is D all of the above. In phase locked loop, PLL is feedback circuit consisting of phase detector, voltage control oscillator, low pass filter. These are the included in the feedback circuit in PLL. The correct option is D all of the above. In a PLL, to obtain lock, the signal frequency must dash dash. Option A come in the lock range, be less than the capture range or capture frequency, come within the capture range, be greater than the capture range. In PLL, the obtained lock, the signal frequency must be come within the capture range. Option C is the correct. Last question. If output frequency is equal to VCO, voltage control oscillator frequency, and input frequency Fi is equal to input frequency, then PLL is said to be locked fail. The output frequency of VCO is equal to the input frequency, then to occur lock range. The correct option is A. Fi is equal to F0. Input frequency is equal to output frequency to occur the lock range. The correct option is A. Please like and subscribe our channel and press bell icon for upcoming new videos.